Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from HLL Lifecare Limited. Name of post is Accounts Officer. Here the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, Inter or MCOM or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 37 years. There are two vacancies. Place of posting is Trivandrum. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here per month salary will be rupees 47,507. Mode of application is online or offline by 17th July 2024. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus for PSU exam, especially the reasoning topic, then we are having a video lecture course on PSU exam prep website, so you can check that course also for your PSU exam preparation. Discount code and website link is mentioned in the description. You can check them in detail. I wish you all the best for your exam. The next vacancy is again from HLL Lifecare Limited. Name of post is Accountant cum Statistical Investigator. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, Inter or MCOM or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 37 years. There are overall 1200 vacancies. Place of posting will be in Maharashtra. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. A per month salary asked is 47,507. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from Bihar State Power Company Limited. Name of post is Junior Accounts Clerk. Qualification asked is graduation in commerce. Upper age limit is 37 years. There are 300 vacancies. Place of posting is in Bihar. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 6.5 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th July 2024. The next vacancy is again from Bihar State Power. Name of post is Correspondence Clerk. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 37 years. There are 150 vacancy. Place of posting is in Bihar. Rest all details are same as that of last vacancies, including the last date of making application. And next vacancy is again from Bihar State Power Holding Company Limited. Name of post is Store Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 37 years. Here there are 80 vacancy. Place of posting is in Bihar. And again the rest all details are same as that of last two vacancies for this company. And next vacancy is from Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Name of post is CRP Clerks. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are massive 6,128 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. A per month salary is 32,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 21st July 2024. The next vacancy is from Indian Highways Management Company Limited. Name of post is Officer Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. You should be passed in the year 22, 23 and 24. Age limit is 30 years. There are one vacancy. Place of posting is in Dwarka. Friends, it's a permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 16th August 2024. Friends, next vacancy is from Naini Aerospace Limited. Name of post is Junior Finance Officer. A qualification asked is either you should be a CA, CMA, MBA Finance or MMS Finance or PGDM Finance with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Prayagraj. Nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 3 years of experience. And here package offered is 6.7 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is offline and last date is 26th July 2024. And next vacancy is from REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 39 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 7 years of experience. And here your monthly pay scale will be in the range of 70,000 to 2 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th July 2024. And next vacancy is again from REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited. Name of post is Officer Finance and Accounts. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 33 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be 50,000 to 1,60,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th July 2024. And next vacancy is from National Institute of Technology Agartala. Name of post is Assistant Registrar. Qualification asked is Master's degree with minimum 55% marks. Here preference will be given to CA or CMA candidate. Age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is Agartala. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 13 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 2nd August 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I'll see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.